Hi everyone, so in this video I just want to share how to make a stamp brush in Procreate. So maybe you have a logo that you want to add and it's just easier to stamp it instead of rewriting it every time, or just little elements like stars and hearts that you want to add around an illustration. So it can be a huge time saver, and I just want to share exactly how to make that in this video. So let's get started. I'm going to first start by opening up a new canvas. I'm already in Procreate. I'm just going to press this little plus icon and I'm going to choose a square canvas. So you can make your own canvas here, but Procreate does have a square canvas that's already made up for you. So I'm just going to press that. So I've actually got a little stamps folder here. This has got all of my stamp brushes that I've made in the past. So first of all, to start then, you want to choose a black color. So for this example, I'm going to do a hand-drawn star. So I'm actually going to choose the dry ink brush for this. So under inking, I'm going to choose dry ink. And then you just want to draw your shape. So I'm just going to draw a simple star like that. And then I'm going to press the select tool here, and having it on uniform, I'm going to just resize that up so it fits the canvas. You want it as big as you can in the canvas so it makes use of like the stamp size. So once I've done that, I'm just going to come to the wrench tool here, share, and then save as a JPEG. Then you want to come back to the gallery, make another canvas, select the square canvas again, and now you want to import your brush. So you're going to go to brushes. I'm going to go to my stamps folder because that's where I'm going to have the brush saved, and I'm going to click the little plus icon. So then in this menu, you want to come down to shape, and then you want to go to shape source and click edit. And then once you're in the shape editor, you're going to click import. You're going to import the photo. This is my image just here, so I'm going to click it and bring it into Procreate. So basically on Procreate, the white color is opaque and the black adds as transparency. So you want to use two fingers here to just tap it. So that now the background's black, that's going to be the transparency, and this star is going to be the opaque color. And there's one reason why you can't actually use like colors. So you have to use black and white to do this, otherwise it will come out like a gray color. So anyway, once you've done that, you can click done. And now we want to edit our brush in these settings. So I'm going to go to stroke path first, and I'm going to bring spacing all the way up to 100%. Then you go to stabilization, and on streamline, you want to bring the amount up to max. This just kind of gives you full control and like makes the brush smooth when you use it. And then you want to bring the stabilization up all the way to the full max. The next thing you want to go to is Apple Pencil, and here you want to take the opacity here all the way down to 0, because at the moment you can see like half faded colors and some are black, so you want them all exactly the same. So I'm just going to bring that down, and as you can see they're all going like the exact same color now. And then you want to come to properties. I'm going to choose the maximum size, and then you want to choose the minimum. So once you're happy, you can just press done. And so now you've got your own little star brush. So here you can adjust the size of the stamp. As you can see, it goes really small and then it can go really large. So if you find you want it a lot bigger or a lot smaller, you can just come back into the stamp brush and edit it at any time. If you wanted a different color star, for example, a pink color, you can actually just select it from the color chart here, use the stamp, and then it will turn out pink. So it's that simple to get a different color. Just when you make it, you need to make sure it's in a black color. That's basically the simple way of making an easy stamp. Hopefully I did cover everything that you needed for this tutorial. So yeah, hopefully it's helped. Definitely subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.